Okay, that's not. Just don't do it, oh my goodness.
Hey, bird.
Yeah, a bird.
It's one of a dozen names for a village on the
What is he doing?
but it's a ritual soon to be disrupted.
Is he digging on the ground?
Little do these birds know
Is he digging
that
on
they're
the
preparing
ground?
for their last performance in this forest.
Mm. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh. Do you like the birds? Yeah? Pretty bird.
Looks like
See
he
his
has
big
horns.
feathers? Yeah. It's doing a mating dance. He's got his feathers all out, trying to attract the females. What's he doing?
Attracting the female.
Whoa.
When the lyrebird's courtship period ends, there's still no sign of rain.
They gotta put a funny part in this
As
show.
spring turns into summer, heat waves grip
Where'd the bird go?
southeast Australia. So far, the lyrebirds in their upland forest refuge are sheltered from the rising temperatures.
We need to put a funny part.
Yes.
Bats.
Animals elsewhere are feeling the heat.
Tree foxes.
Whoa.
Flying foxes suffering from heat stress are dropping into the trees, as are possums
Foxes
and
don't
koalas.
fly.
Those are just the name of it. They look, they're really in the bat family, you know.
They're sure signs that the natural world is under pressure.
Whoa.
Wow, flying foxes.
Whoa.
But they look like foxes
It's early
and they
February.
have bat wings.
And
Yeah.
the heat wave is about to reach a disturbing climate.